want to travel and be able to eat for free. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, the weather here in Houston has been kind of bad. It's been raining, thundering, storming, whatever. It actually just started raining again. Let me see how the weather is looking, because that's weird. Literally was pouring down, raining outside, and now it looks like the sun is coming out. The flood watch till 10 p.m. and light rain. Oh, it looks like it's supposed to be raining all the way till 8 p.m. and some tomorrow. Houston weather is very weird. Today I'm pretty much working from home. I want to do some cleaning around the house, like mostly like my bathroom. I definitely want to clean the shower doors. I have to do my makeup and hair so I can do some filming, and I have to do a clothing haul today. I ended up taking my clip-ins out and putting a wig in and getting my nails taken off and putting on some press-ons. I actually need to go to Walmart and get a couple things and some nail glue, because let me show y'all. So let me put y'all on right quick. If you go to Ulta, they have so many different nails, and they have OPI nails. Y'all know the OPI nail polish? I didn't know they had nails. Just in general, check out Ulta for like fake nails, because they have a lot of different ones, and ones like what the girlies are getting, you know, the almond with the design. Y'all, these are so cute. One of them did pop off, so that's why I gotta go get the glue. So I have some glue, the glue that came with these, but that glue is just not it. I definitely like Kiss nail glue better. This glue was not sticking. Literally had to hold these forever just for them to kind of glue down. Honestly, they all look like they're gonna pop off, but yeah, I need to get me some better glue. I'm just taking a break with the acrylics, to be honest. I don't mind wearing the press-ons. These really could have been smaller a little bit. I don't know. But yeah, and then today I'm going to try to redo my lashes. So this past weekend I actually wasn't using the individual Kiss lashes. I was actually cutting up my strips and using those for the lashes. So yeah, I'm going to try to do that today so I can show y'all what I mean. Aaliyah J is so fire to me. I love her style. Like, she's so fire. I think I'm just going to start off with cleaning. I'm about to show y'all what I use to clean my shower doors. I use, oh, I need some more soap. But actually, I'm gonna go to the store first. So I'm just gonna change my clothes. I'm gonna clean in, go to Walmart, and come back and do that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, but before I get to cleaning, I'm hungry. I didn't have anything this morning but that Starbucks drink. So I'm about to eat some leftovers. I have this big plate of Jamaican food. I got curry chicken, rice, and cabbage. It was so much food in here, I could not eat it all yesterday, but this gonna be busted today. To eat right quick and then go clean up. So what I was saying before was you need 1 cup of Dawn soap and 1 cup of vinegar. You're gonna mix those two together and use a sponge and clean off the glass doors. And then you're gonna rinse that off with water and then go in with your glass cleaner and just use a paper towel and wipe the glass doors with this. So if you don't know how to clean your glass doors by yourself, this is a little trick. You don't know what love is if you don't put up a fight. This finna be so good. I love Jamaican food. I don't know what my like thick cleaning gloves are, but we're just gonna wear these. So as y'all can see, I mean, it's not like super bad, but it need to be clean. I really wish I had the shower head that like comes off and I can. The problem is going to be when it's time to rinse off the soap and stuff, I'm going to have to use the bath water. Definitely going to have to give me a bucket or something to use the bathtub water so I can just like pour enough on there. Why don't I have the... Anyways, let's get to it.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, there's many out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar, but boy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough.
about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hear me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Pkwy's a liar, Pkwy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Pkwy's a liar, Pkwy's a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, 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 good enough.
Hey y'all, I'm about to do my lashes. I had to take me a little break after I cleaned that shower because y'all, that was a lot of work. I definitely need to give me a shower head that that can actually come off because that going back and forth was a lot. Now I'm about to do my lashes. I just fixed my swoop and I need to kind of just flatten this a little bit, put some curls at the bottom, and just do me like a quick and easy face because I'm about to get ready to film this clothing haul. Like I was telling y'all about the lashes, I'm gonna actually use lash extensions and cut them up. I mean, lash strips and cut them up. I'm trying to see which ones I want to use. I had already started cutting the other ones. They look a little longer. I don't know which ones I want. I should have got me some more eyelash glue too because I'm almost out of that. I'm going to use this lash strip right here and cut them into 4. I'm going to use this lash adhesive. I believe it's on Amazon. I'm going to make sure to link this below or something similar. And first, all I'm going to do is put some underneath my lash like this. I really need some more glue, but this should be enough just for this set. And going to cut that lash into 4. You can cut them smaller if you want to, but I just don't want to be taking too long on this. And I just put a little glue still like on there on the top. Then you're just gonna go in and go underneath your lashes. That's it. Just adjust it. Yeah. So literally that is it, y'all. So if you didn't want to buy like the packs like these, then you can literally just get you some lashes, cut them up small, and still do the same thing. So this is how it's going so far. So cute. I actually have to cut these down a little more too, y'all, because they were a little too long. I mean, not like cut the actual lashes, but like cut how big, how long, you know, y'all know what I mean. They were just gonna be too long. Now what I do is I don't have my eyelash curler, so I just go in and kind of like pinch like the lashes together to make sure that they're on my lashes. Or if you don't have that, you can just use your hands. That's fine too. I need to figure out where I got them lashes from because I love this right here. This is cute. I've been doing this, and if y'all know me, y'all know with them lash extensions, I be picking them off. Doing this have saved my life. And if you wanted to, you can go in and do another layer, or you can put the layer on top of this layer, but I feel like this one is fine. This side always be a little harder for me. I don't know why. I feel like this side I always put less on, or I just can't get it right. Just weird. Like, I can't even tell you what's going on. This eye just, it feels like something's in my eye. Okay, y'all, I got the eye done. So cute. Look how easy that is, y'all. Like, what? So now I'm about to just do me like a quick makeup look. I'm gonna just do some concealer, some bronzer.
I don't respond to text messages or phone calls until I have poured into my cup before that day. It just makes more sense to me to make sure that I'm bettering my relationship with God, or going to the gym, or making sure I eat breakfast, or doing whatever I need to do for work before I start holding conversations with other people.
Okay, done with that. So I made a decision recently not to do the shop that I wanted to do. Y'all know I was painting the office, just doing those like little things, and I just decided to not go through with it because I just feel like I'm not like ready for that. It's just like all the responsibility and the time that comes with it. Not saying that I won't ever start it, but I just feel like I haven't really put much energy in it. Like I still do my orders at home, I still like work at home, so I just kind of felt like I wasn't utilizing that space like I should have, and just not ready for it. So I just made a decision to like put a pause on that, because now at this point it really was just kind of like a waste of money. Not really like a waste of money, but it's like I've been paying for a place that I hardly even be at, so it's just like I could be using that money elsewhere, or like actually on my business. I honestly just feel like it was the best thing for me to do right now, because I'm just not really like focused on that. I'm still gonna have my boutique, of course, but as far as like in person, nah. I think it's for the best. I feel like sometimes you need to take a step back, think about what you're doing. Because me, a lot of the times I make impulsive decisions. Sometimes I just get an idea and be like, oop, I want to do it. So I just like buy something without even thinking, or just go do something, not really thinking like about it. I'm glad I'm able to just do that sometimes, but I am a grown adult now and I need to start like making sense. So yeah, that's the update on that. Kind of sad, but it's for the best. When the time is right, I know the things that are for me will happen. So yeah. Good morning, y'all. I'm on the way to this super cute coffee shop. Last night I was looking for some like cafes, coffee shop type of places, so I could just get out of the house and do some work. So I found this one place and it's so cute. I can't wait to show y'all. Online it looks like really like fancy and elegant and all of that, so hopefully it's still giving when we get there. Why is this light taking so long? So I'm about to see the vibes. I should have woke up earlier today because I completely forgot the H&M collab with Mugler was released today, I believe. So I'm gonna try to get my work done so I can go check that out. Y'all, why did this nail come off again? It's just something with this one. I just need a smaller nail and I don't have any more small ones. So probably just gonna have to buy me a whole new set of the same ones, or I might get different ones. It's just not given. It's called 111. Are they even open, y'all? Chill. I just pulled up. I don't even know what time they open. Oh, they got a drive through too. It's me still trying to park and can't really see the camera. First I'm gonna condense these bags because I got 2 bags and I don't want to come in there looking like the bag lady. So let me see what I need. I don't think I need much. Just my wallet really, and my computer. Okay, I think we're good here.
A couple of pack that came in and I'm out, ain't no time to be fucking up. I put on a shirt and I put on my pants to my boss, 50K for the sun is out. Pussy ass niggas be talking that fuck. I'm taking it other than all my problems. The pain that I'm feeling and feel like you lost. I make it in rain like I'm shitting these solids. The ops is outside and they looking like talk. I'm taking my time but I ain't on my humble. Earn me these straps while I'm through the jungle. The enemy turning that shit sound like fun. And the first I saw body did that for my mom. The first kiss I got I went down with a llama. And someone was hot, that shit felt like a sauna.
Okay, y'all, so I ended up getting a breakfast sandwich on a croissant and this drink. It's kind of like an ice white mocha. I forgot what he said it was called, but he said it was better, so I was like, okay, let me try it, but hopefully I like it. This place is so cute. I like how it looks like luxury. So I'm just sitting in a corner by myself. Really, I'm sitting here because I peeped that it has a charger on this phone. At first, the man seen my camera and was like, "What are you doing?" I said, "Sir, it's not on you. It's not on you." A lot of people be thinking we be trying to record them. Like, why would we? No. But it's kind of chilly. I'm so glad I brought my jacket. I got my jacket wrapped around me. I didn't show y'all my outfit, so I'm wearing a bucket hat because my swoop bang, I was like pulling it up last night, so it's not a swoop no more. Then I just have on this cute like a workout set. Has like little openings right here, and it has the leggings to match. Why am I already hungry for lunch? I don't know how long I'm gonna be in here, but
because you ain't never called me back.
Sorry.
That's good.
It's good. Let's try it. I want to travel and be able to eat for free. This is chicken salad.
Got the plastic, I've been acting brand new. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. Let me pop out.
Just left the coffee shop, taking a little break, and I'm just like, you know what? Let's just stop at Target and see what they got. See what's new. It's hot outside. I'm not gonna get no basket because I don't need to be buying nothing, but I might get one thing. Target just be having all the cute, essential, solid colored tops. They also have these cute tops. Wait, they don't have my size. And they also have it in this cream colors. They also have these cute tops, purple, green, yellow, and nude. I be forgetting what size I wear. I don't know what it is about this, but I like a cute pajama set. I forgot it's an Ulta in this Target, but this is some of the nails that they had at the Ulta that I went to. These kind of look like kids, but they be having these brands that I never seen, and they be in like the little trendy designs and stuff. How do y'all feel about the Pkwy products? I'm thinking about trying one of them, like the scrub or something. Here's a body cleanser. I need to do a little more research on Pkwy, but I've been seeing some things about them. What is this? Hey.